Are you looking for some crosshairs to help you hit those headshots in Valorant? Well, here's some that I compiled and that I use personally all the time that definitely help me hit shots. First one is a Cyan 1221 crosshair. This is for if you're hitting the one taps. The next one is a different kind of altered version of a Protos crosshair. It's a 1152 crosshair, and this one's also very, very nice for the one taps. And lastly, for the one taps, we have a 1230 crosshair. Now this one's kind of like a modified dot. I like it personally because it's a little bit bigger and you can see more of their head. Now, if you aren't hitting one taps and you're hitting more like spray transfers or whatever, 1511 is a very good crosshair for that. Pretty default crosshair for me personally. Or if you don't like that one, we have a thicker version of that, which is 1422. And if you're not feeling that and you just want a super thick crosshair, it definitely helps with hitting shots though. 1333 is definitely worth it. And if none of those are working and you're just not hitting any shots, my default, like my backup crosshair is 1112 with outlines on. That's a huge key for this one. And if that's not working, you can always upgrade that a little bit and upsize it to a 1224 with outlines on as well. And if you're playing in Icebox, just make all of these red. It doesn't matter which crosshair you use, just red is so much easier to see in like a mainly blue map. And then also just yellow player outlines every game you play. Definitely the best settings. And if you're using any of these crosshairs from this video, go ahead and just drop a follow and a like on the video and let me know what you enjoyed, or if you have any personal favorite crosshairs that you personally use.